Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you juggling a never-ending list of home repairs? Wondering if there's a better way to handle all those tasks? Well, look no further. In this video, we're revealing the secret benefits of hiring a local handyman that everyone needs to know. Let's start with one of the biggest advantages: cost effectiveness. Hiring a local handyman can save you serious money. Unlike larger contractors who might charge hefty fees, a handyman offers competitive pricing for a wide range of services. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or painting a room, they're often more affordable because they don't have the overhead costs of bigger companies. Plus, they'll likely give you an honest estimate and stick to it, helping you avoid unexpected expenses. Now let's talk about convenience. A local handyman is like a Swiss Army knife for your home. Need some shelves installed? Check. Electrical outlet needs fixing? Check. Got a hole in your drywall? You guessed it, check. Instead of hiring multiple specialists for different tasks, a handyman can handle a wide variety of jobs. This means less hassle for you and faster completion of your to-do list. Another major benefit is their understanding of local needs and building codes. Local handymen are part of your community and they know the area well. This means they're familiar with the specific needs of homes in your neighborhood, from weather-related issues to local building regulations. This local expertise ensures that repairs and improvements are not only done right, but also compliant with all the necessary codes. Personalized service is another game changer. When you hire a local handyman, you're getting more than just a worker. You're hiring someone who genuinely cares about your home. They take the time to understand your specific needs, preferences, and budget. And since they rely on word of mouth and repeat business, they're motivated to do a great job every time. Trust and reliability become the foundation of the relationship, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is in good hands. But how do you find the right handyman for your needs? Here are a few tips. 1. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who've had similar work done. 2. Check online reviews and ratings to see what others in your area are saying. 3. Interview a few candidates to find someone who's not just skilled but also a good fit for your personality and project. 4. Always ask for references and photos of previous work to gauge their experience. Whether it's small repairs or larger home improvements, hiring a local handyman is a smart convenience and personalized service that's hard to beat. So the next time your home needs a little TLC, consider calling your local handyman. You might be surprised at just how much they can do for you. Thanks for watching Elite Service Masters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips. And if you've had a great experience with a local handyman, share your story in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.